This Varibeam Coldhead stand is designed to fit inside your XRD cabinet and holds the Coldhead nozzle in position above your sample. We will now be assembling the Varibeam. First, using the hex key provided, move the locking collar. This is found below the 90-degree block on the vertical pole. Lock it to an appropriate height away from the base. Now insert the horizontal arm. And using the hex key, tighten the block to the vertical pole. For packing purposes, the dummy nozzle will be mounted backwards in the Varibeam nozzle clamp. Remove the nozzle using the hex key and fit it to the clamp the correct way round. The length of the dummy nozzle correctly matches the Coldhead, so you can use the dummy nozzle as a rough guide and point of reference when positioning the Varibeam inside your XRD cabinet. Now you're ready to mount the Coldhead.